Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Shopify unlicensed theme. So, if you're seeing a warning that says unlicensed theme on your Shopify store, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video I will walk you through exactly what it means, why it's happening and how to fix it in just few minutes. So, first off, let's clarify what unlicensed theme means in Shopify. Shopify themes are protected by licenses, especially premium themes from Shopify theme store or third-party marketplaces. And if you're using a premium theme without purchasing a license, or you're trying to duplicate or transfer a theme from one store to another, Shopify may flag it as unlicensed. This doesn't mean your store will stop working, but it can limit the customization, updates, and support. Plus, it can look unprofessional to visitors. So, here are some common reasons you see unlicensed label. You duplicate a theme from another Shopify store, you got the theme file from another Shopify store, you got the theme file from a third-party source but didn't activate the license, or you're testing a paid theme without officially purchasing it, or you migrated stores and carried over the theme without reactivating the license. The good news, it's fixable. So option 1 to fix this problem is by purchasing the theme officially. Go to online store, navigate to any theme, click on try theme and purchase it just from this page. Now, complete the payment and your theme will be fully licensed. Option 2 is contacting the developer if it's from outside Shopify. So if you have bought your theme from a third-party site like Theme Forest, get in touch with the developer. Ask for a valid license key or purchase code. Once you apply it, depending on the theme, the unlicensed notice should disappear. Some developers require you to register the theme in their system. Now, if you want to avoid licensing issues altogether, you can switch to a free theme from the Shopify theme store. Simply navigate to your online store, navigate to themes, and you will see some themes appearing just right here. So these themes under popular free themes section are free of cost. And if you want to avoid licensing issues altogether, you can simply click on add under these themes, add them to your store, and these are officially supported, updated regularly and never need extra licenses. And you won't face this problem ever. Now, additional tips include never use pirated or cracked themes. Shopify could take down your store and some major security risks. Always back up your theme before making changes, and if you're working with a developer, make sure they're using a properly licensed theme. Shopify support can't activate third-party theme licenses and you have to go through the theme seller. So if you're dealing with an unlicensed theme, the fix is simple. Either purchase the official version, verify your license, or switch to a free theme for peace of mind. Now, if this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.